Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and a very good day to everyone. Okay, so welcome back to our class. Okay, so for this session, we're going to look into new chapter. Okay, chapter 7, coordinates. Okay, so in this chapter, you're going to learn three things. Okay, so you can have a look over here. Okay, 7.1, distance in the Cartesian coordinate system. 7.2, midpoint in the Cartesian coordinate system. And finally, you're going to learn about the Cartesian coordinate system. Okay, so here are the few word link that you need to know, okay, before we proceed. Okay, so the first one we have midpoint. Okay, midpoint titik tengah, distance is jarak, position kedudukan, coordinate is coordinate, x-axis paksi x, y-axis paksi y, hypotenuse is hypotenuse yang kita dah belajar dalam Pythagoras theorem before this. Okay, and then origin is asalan. Okay, plot Cartesian plane serta size and scale is skala. Okay. Okay, so let's move to the first learning standard. Okay, so for the first learning standard, we're going to explain the meaning of distance between 2 points on the Cartesian plane. Okay, yang ni awak boleh cuba buat sendirilah. Okay, boleh try di rumah macam mana nak buat ni. Okay, so kita terus ke conclusion dia. Okay, to determine distance between 2 points on a Cartesian plane, the right angle triangle representation method is used. Okay, kita cuba gunakan right angle triangle representation. Okay, in this method, you have to identify the horizontal distance and the vertical distance of 2 points on Cartesian plane. The distance can be determined from the scale on the x-axis and y-axis. AB is shortest distance taken without going through C. Okay, ini sebagai contoh. Okay, contoh kita ada 2 point. Okay, awak nak pergi A ke B. Okay, so apa kita buat? Kita cuba bentukkan satu segitiga bersudut tegak. Ni kita dah buat kan? This is 90 degrees bersudut tegak. Okay, so ingat lagi tak kita punya last year kita belajar Pythagoras theorem. Kita akan aplikasikan dalam this one. Okay, so if last year you learn about this, so we have A, B, C, betul? So nak cari Pythagoras theorem is C square is equals to A square plus B square. Okay, so same thing over here. Okay, so for example you have A, B and C. Okay, so C square is AB. AB square is equals to AC square plus CB square. So nak cari AB, okay, square kita pindah sebelah jadilah square root. So jadi inilah kita punya rumus for distance. Boleh? Senang je kan? Okay, so let's look at the first example. Okay, okay, determine the distance between 2 points in the following Cartesian plane. Okay, so ini simple saja dulu. Kita ada two points. Okay, awak kena cari jarak dia. Mudah saja. Okay, look at the first one. Okay, so the first one, first kita kena tahu baca scale. Okay, now okay, tengok ni. Okay, we have one box, 1 unit, because each box increase 1 unit. 1, 2, 3, 4. So maksud dia each box ada 1 unit nilai dia. Okay, now kita kira how many boxes are there between A and B. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 boxes. Okay, so distance. Okay, distance. Saya tulis this lah. Okay, distance. Okay, tadi we have 6 boxes. Okay, times each boxes is 1 unit. Okay, betul kan? 1 unit. Okay, so 6 times 1. Okay, so your answer is the distance is 6 unit. Boleh? Okay, next kita tengok B. Okay, B kita baca dulu unit. Okay, now the point is on horizontal line. Okay, so kita tengok horizontal lah. Okay, x-axis. Okay, dia selari dengan x-axis. Okay, sekarang kita tengok kita punya ni. Okay, each box increases by 5. 5, 10, 15. Nampak tak? Increase plus 5 plus 5. So it means the unit is 5 unit. Okay, so the scale on x-axis is 5 unit. Okay, now we calculate how many boxes are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so we have distance is equals to 6 boxes times 1 boxes equals to 5 unit. Okay, so the distance is 6 times 5 is 30 unit. Okay, units. Okay, next C. Okay, sama juga. Okay, selari dengan paksi X. Okay, parallel to x-axis. Okay, so now each boxes increase by 10, so it means 10 unit. Okay, and between D and E we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So the distance is 4 times 10, so we have 40 unit. Okay, and last one. Okay, we look at D. So FG is parallel to y-axis, selari dengan paksi Y. So kita kena tengok paksi Y lah, jangan tengok unit paksi X. Okay, paksi Y. Tengok 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So maksud dia each boxes ni ada 2 unit. Okay, now the difference between F and G, kita ada 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 unit. So 4 times 4. So this 4 times 2. Four times 2. Okay. Okay, di sini kita tahu. Okay, ni abaikanlah. Okay. Okay, so 4 times 2 is 8. So we have 8 units. Okay, boleh? Okay, now let's move to the next learning standard. Okay, derive the formula of distance between 2 points on Cartesian plane. Okay, so ingat lagi tak? Okay, benda ni. Okay, so coordinate. Okay, so for coordinate, okay, it is written as nama point dia, A, and then we have the first digit and second digit, and then inside the parenthesis dalam bracket. Okay, yang di depan ni, depan ni adalah nilai paksi X. Yang belakang adalah nilai paksi Y. Okay, 2 is the value of X axis, Y, 1 is Y axis. Okay, sekarang kita tengok di sini. Okay, between these two coordinates, what is the same coordinate? Which coordinate? X or Y? Okay, kita tengok apa yang sama. X sama kan? So bila X sama, to calculate the distance, kita cari yang tak sama. Yang tak sama is Y. So we have 4 minus 1. So it is equal to 3 unit. Okay, next kita tengok B. Okay, sorry, C. Okay, C we have -1, 3, and we have 7, 3. So tadi for this I've told you this is X component, this is Y component. X and Y. So which component are the same? Y. Okay, so kita tulis sini Y coordinate. So if Y coordinate is the same, so we take a look at X. So nak cari different distance is 7 minus -1. So this is actually equals to 7 plus 1, 8 unit. Okay, and so on. Okay, cara dia sama saja. Okay, so we know that distance can be determined if 2 points have the same Y coordinate. Okay, kalau dia sama Y coordinate, kita tengok X dia. Okay, so distance for AB is x2 minus x1. Besar tolak kecil. Okay, next, 2 points have the same X coordinate. Okay, kalau sama X coordinate, we look at the Y coordinate. Okay, so to calculate the distance, simply y2 minus y1. Okay, mudah saja. Okay, now let's look at example 2. Okay, calculate the distance between 2 points. Okay, we have two questions over here. Okay, 2, -3, 4, -3. Okay, so over here kita boleh tahu apa yang sama. We have y yang sama kan. So kalau sama y, so kita ambil x dan kita tolak. Okay, so we take the x value, so 4 minus 2. So we get 2 unit. Okay, same thing for b. Okay, b, we can see that we have x value the same. Okay, coordinate x di sama. So we take y and we minus. Okay, so we take y, so -2 minus 1, we get, okay, we take 1 minus 2. So this is actually 3. So 3 units. Okay, ya unit ni jarak distance mesti positif. Distance must be positive value, cannot negative. Okay. Okay, let's move forward to example 3. The diagram shows the distance between 2 points A and B. Complete the coordinate A and B. Okay, so kita tengok di sini. So given this is 4 unit, this is 5 unit. Okay, sekarang CB ni adalah paksi X, betul? Okay, CB is, okay, for example lah saya tambah. Okay, X, Y. Okay, so kalau X, Y dia mesti sama kan? Tengok, 3 sama. So from 1 to X is 4 unit. So kita boleh buat, okay, 1 plus 4 is equals to X. So X is equals to 5. Okay. So coordinate B is 5, 3. Okay, next. Tengok ni pula. Okay, Y. Okay, kalau dia parallel dengan Y axis, X dia mesti sama. 1, 1. Okay, so Y. Okay, we know that from 3 to Y is 5 units. So 3 plus 5. So kita dapat 8. So the coordinate of A is 1, 8. Okay, macam tu saja. Okay, what is the next learning standard? Determine the distance between 2 points on a Cartesian plane. Okay. So kalau tadi kita ada garis yang selari dengan paksi X ataupun selari dengan paksi Y sahaja. Okay, now kita tengok kalau garis tu melintang macam mana. Okay. Okay. Di sini, okay, the distance AB is the hypotenuse. The Pythagoras theorem is used to determine the distance between 2 points on Cartesian plane. Okay, macam ni lah. Tadi contoh dia macam ni. Contoh kita nak cari distance between these two points. Okay, so kita bentukkan satu segitiga bersudut tegak. Okay, daripada sini kita terjadilah equation ini. The distance between 2 points. Okay, this one. Okay. So, apa buat? Okay, just kita dapatkan dia punya coordinate. Just plug in into this formula. Okay. So, let's look at the first example. Okay. Calculate the distance between point A and point B on the Cartesian plane. Okay, actually there are two methods yang awak boleh guna. The first one is by using Pythagoras theorem. Okay, yang kedua boleh guna rumus tadi. Okay, sebagai contoh kita gunakan Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so first, okay, awak completekan the right angle triangle. Okay, now for the base, okay, kita ada berapa unit ni? 1, 2, 3, 4. So over here is 4. over here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Over here is 6. Okay, so by using Pythagoras theorem, okay, we know that, okay, AB square is equals to, okay, for example, kita letak sini C. Okay, is equals to AC square plus BC square. Okay, so AB is actually equals to square root of AC square plus BC square. Okay, so now AC is 6, right? So kita tulis 6 square plus BC is 4. Okay, so 4 square. So press your calculator. So we get square root of 52. So this is actually 7.21 units. Okay, so this is the first method. Okay, first method. Ini tadi lah, by using segitiga ni. Okay. Okay, next method, by using coordinates. Okay, so first of all, okay, kita determine dulu coordinate of A. Okay, now coordinate of A is 1, 7. Macam mana nak determine dia? Kita tengok balik sini. Okay, ni saya padam. Okay, A, tengok A. Okay, X dia adalah 1, Y dia adalah 7. So 1, 7. Okay, B pula 5, 1. Awak dah belajar kan koordinat ni masa sekolah rendah kalau tak silap saya. Okay, so 5, 1. Okay, di situlah kita dapat benda ni. 1, 7, 5, 1. Okay, next awak labelkan sahaja. X1, Y1, X2, Y2. Tak kisah. Atas ni X2, Y2, ni X1, Y1 pun tak kisah. Boleh, tak ada masalah. Okay, so now kita masukkan sahaja dalam formula. Okay, so X2, mana X2? So we have 5. So 5 minus 1 square plus Y2 is 1 minus 7 square. Okay, so square root of, okay, 5 minus 1 is 4. 4 square is 16. Plus 1 minus 7 is negative 6, right? Negative 6 square, kita akan dapat 36. Okay, so your answer is 52. So you can change it as 7.21 units. Okay, boleh. So ada dua method. So terpulang pada awak lah nak guna yang mana satu. Okay. Okay, next let's look at example 5. Okay, calculate the distance between point P and point Q. Okay, PQ ni pakai Pythagoras theorem je lah kan. Okay, so A saya guna Pythagoras theorem. Okay, PQ square is equals to 5 square plus 3 square. So PQ is equals to square root of 5 square is 25 plus 3 square is 9. Okay, kita akan dapat square root of 34, which is equals to 5.83 centimeter. Okay, you can take 2 decimal point. Okay. Next is B. Okay, B. Okay, dia bagi santah Cartesian kan, so we can use formula. Okay. So over here we have x1, y1, x2, y2. So kita masukkan dalam formula distance. Okay, so PQ square. Tak pula PQ terus. Okay, equals to square root of, okay, x. Macam mana formula dia tadi? Okay, x2 minus x1. Okay, x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. Okay, so square root of, okay, x2 is 4 minus 2 square plus y2 is 1 minus 6 square. Okay, so square root, okay, 4 minus 2 is 6. Okay, 4 plus 2, 6 square is 36 plus 1 minus 6 is negative 5 kan. Negative 5 square is equals to 25. So the answer is square root of 61, which is equals to 7.81 centimeter. Okay, boleh? Mudah sahaja, betul? Okay, now let's look at the last learning standard for this subtopic. Okay, solve problem involving the distance between 2 points in the Cartesian coordinate system. Okay, so calculate the perimeter of an isosceles triangle if the vertices for triangle A is 1, 1, B 3, 4, C 5, 1. Okay, so sekarang dia nak kita kira perimeter panjang semua ni lah kan. Okay, so first you need to understand the problem. Okay, ABC is an isosceles triangle with vertices ABC. Okay, plan the strategy. Draw the and determine the points on Cartesian plane. Perimeter ABC is equals to AB plus BC plus AC. AB plus BC plus CA. The distance between AC and AB perlu dikira. Okay, sebab AC ni AC, AB and BC perlu dikira. Okay. Tapi kenapa dia kata sini AC dan AB? AC dan AB. Sebab BC sama je kan distance dia. Okay. Okay, so implementing the strategy. So distance AB is tengok sini. AB, saya zoom. Okay. Okay, so over here we have 2 unit. Over here we have 3 unit. Betul? Sebab tu dia tulis 3 square plus 2 square. So you will get square root of 13, which is 3.6 unit. Okay, so AB and BC obviously are the same because isosceles triangle kan. Okay, next, okay, AC ni senang je lah. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 kotak. Unit kita 1, 1, 1, 1 ni kan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 increase by 1. So setiap kotak ni nilai dia 1. So this AC is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so therefore the perimeter of the triangle is 3.6 over here plus 3.6 plus 4. Dapatlah 11.2 units. Boleh? Okay, next kita tengok example 7. Okay, given the distance of AB is equals to 10 units. Okay, AB is equals to 10 units. Calculate the value of V. Okay, first we need to understand the problem. Okay, calculate the value of V. Okay, planning strategy. Okay, tengok coordinate V, 3, 6, 9. Okay, distance kita dah ada. Sekarang kita nak cari koordinat di dalam distance itu. Okay, so kita masukkan dalam formula. Okay, so over here is, for example, kita ambil ni x1, y1 ataupun x2, y2, x1, y1. Okay, now kita masukkan dalam formula. 6 minus v square plus 9 minus 3 square. Okay, now 10 is equals to this one. Okay, pemudahkan dulu. Now, okay, square sebelah ni, okay. Nak menghilangkan square root, okay, we need to square both sides. Okay, squarekan kanan, squarekan kiri. Okay, boleh? So, bila kita squarekan both side, okay, 36 ni kan tadi ada square root kan? So, dia akan hilang lah. Sebab tu dia akan jadi 10 square, okay, minus 36. Sebab sebelah ni tadi plus kan? Plus pindah sebelah akan jadi minus. Dapatlah 6 minus v square. Okay, next, okay. Okay, square root ini, square ini kita pindah ke sebelah. Akan dapat square root. Okay, boleh? So, dapatlah 6 minus v. Okay, so 6 minus v, square root of 64 is 8. Okay, now, okay, v ni negatif. So, pindahkan belah kiri supaya positif. 8 ni pindah ke sebelah depan tu supaya dah jadi negatif. So kita boleh longgokkan unknown di kiri, nombor di kanan. So 6 minus 8 is equals to negative 2. Okay, so therefore the value of V is negative 2. Boleh? Okay, so self practice 7.1. Okay, saya nak awak cuba buat nombor 1, nombor 2 AC, nombor 3 AC, nombor 4 BD, nombor 5 AB, 6 8. Okay, boleh? Okay, so saya rasa that's all for today's lesson. Okay, sebab yang ni agak baru untuk awak kan. Okay, so gunakan masa yang ada untuk memahami lebih chapter ni. Okay, sebelum kita masuk next subtopic. Okay, next subtopic kita akan masuk midpoint. Okay, midpoint ni mudah saja, tengah-tengah, tak susah. Okay, so do this exercise. Okay, kalau ada sebarang masalah boleh utarakan dalam grup. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you very much.